Hey again. It's me. This is Pat. And we are still making RV and beach memories. Don't forget, I know it's going to be hard to hang on to, but we did add to our name there a little bit. So we're going to have, we're still doing some RVing and still doing some beaching. So we just decided we'd just combine them both together. So now we're making RV and beach memories. We're putting up our dream beach house here in Myrtle Beach. And you've seen part 2 and part 3. Well, today's part 4. It really starts taking some shape. I won't let the cat out of the bag, so just hang on there and you'll get to see it. But we have a lot of fun in this one. Part 5, we're going shopping, so you don't want to miss part 5 either. That'll be a good one too. So hang on. I've been appreciating everything you've been saying, all the comments and all the new subscribers. That's been great, so I do appreciate it all. So hang on. Let's take a look and see what I'm going to show you what we've advanced on our building our dream beach house right here in Myrtle Beach. Now you see we got the steps in. Let's go up and take a look. Okay, got our steps in today. Hey, come on, I'll take you up. Let's go up and take a look and see what all they got done today. These are just the construction steps, so we'll get the good ones put in. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got our patio installed. Got the porch deck on. Come on in, I'll show you around. Come on, I'll walk you in our house. We kinda got our front patio on. We'll walk in the front door here. It's our living room here on the left side. Master bedroom. Our master bath is huge. And back into the living room. And it'll transition right in to our kitchen. And I sort of like how it's set up here. Washer, dryer, a little laundry cubby hole. Just the central bath here, and the kitchen will go all the way back over to there. And bedroom number 2. So what do you think? Just sort of rough cut. I think they're doing an awesome job on it. Got the patio on today. I'll walk you back down the steps and show we got our steps in today. Got the patio on. Rooms are laid out now, so I can sort of get a rough idea when we did our blueprint. It's all coming around to where you can see it now with lumber. That's pretty cool. Our beach dream house starting to take a little shape here. I sort of like it when we in the evenings, the sun's going to be behind a couple of houses in the shade tree. So we'll be able to sit out here on the patio and enjoy the shade. Let's look at the front. This will be a double window here in our master bedroom. Front door. And the big window for the living room here. And got our trusses on. That'll come next week, and I'll keep you informed when we make a little more progress there. That was pretty cool. Go back down these construction steps and be careful. Got a little more shade under here too now that we got the front porch patio boards down. Yeah, gonna be nice and big and roomy, as I showed you. Storage building being that cubicle there, and then my bar area, our cookout, our chairs, everything will be on this side. Our TV will be on the side of the storage shed, and parking up under here to be nice and shady. Now, what do you think so far? We're really excited to get things rolling. I showed you the stilts. There's 15 stilts holding our house up, plus a few more over on the side that'll hold the steps up. These stilts that we're using, or that they use, they're 8" by 8". It's not the kind of stilts you'd find or any kind of treated lumber you'd find at a hardware store like a Lowe's or a Home Depot. These stilts are salt treated, so they'll withstand a lot of moisture and a lot of water. Salt treated is a little bit new to me too. The way they explained it, the way they treat these stilts is the same treatment that they do to them when they put a pier up in the ocean. So these piers will withstand a lot of moisture, well, they'll be here long after I'm gone. And you can see they're well anchored with all the braces. And like I say, there's 3 rows of 5, so they're super strong. They're about 4 feet down in the ground. A lot of concrete holding them in there, so they're going to be here for the duration. Like I say, they are salt treated, and they are strong too. So, going to hold up our beach dream house. So, good stuff. What was coming? The trusses are coming. The trusses are coming. Trusses are coming. I think I covered that, didn't I? Yeah, you covered that. And there they are. Trusses. Trusses finally showed up. These guys are going to be fast putting them up. You can see the offset on them there. That's going to be for the raised ceiling in the living room and the kitchen. But they are fast. And man, did they get those put up. Got them up in one day. I mean, like I told you, we got the best construction crew in the county. Didn't take them long to get it up, and wow, it's just looking like a house now. The roof trusses all the way from front to rear, even over the patio they got put up. And it just to me, it looks amazing. Just glad to get them up so we know when the sheeting is going to come next. Still got the bracing up under the house, and they'll keep that there just for a little bit longer until they get the house sheeted. And then some of those cross braces will come down up under the house. But look at that, our beach home there. I did want to show you this before we got the trusses up. They did cover our stairs. And the advantage to that is, of course, with our lot being so wide, we do get covered stairs, and it makes it a little helpful in inclement weather. You can get down the steps without sun or rain or anything else being on you. So it'll run, the roof of the stairs runs all the way down to the end of the corner of the lot there. And get ready to bow your head back. I did a 360 on this one, and bend it right back over. You can see there. So the next is to get the plywood sheeting down on top of those trusses. As you can see, we got those stairs covered. That's going to be awesome going down those steps. But you know the weather at the beach. Man, it can come up a rain, poof, just like that. And we did. For about 4 days, about an hour each day, we got a monsoon. Oh man, raining cats and dogs. It rained so hard I thought I was going to start gathering animals up in pairs and start building us a big boat. It rained on our steps, it rained on our plywood, it rained on our studs, it rained on everything. You know the beach though. Fast as it blows in, rains hard, hour later, sun back out, all dried up, and we're ready to go. And yep, they got the trusses in, got our plywood sheeting down, and man, look at that. It is starting to look like an official house. I love it. Hey, remember I told you back earlier I had a rear window in that second bedroom that when the leaves were off the trees in the wintertime, you'd be able to see the ocean? Now, it's going to be at a long distance. You'll still be able to see it, though. But there's that notorious window, and the protrusion there is the extension out of the bathroom. Looking at the house with the sheeting on it, man, it looks so awesome. I had to show you again. It's starting to look like just a house. So I want to drive by one more time and sort of let you get a view of... Yeah, I'm just a proud papa there. It's just, man, it's just looking so awesome right there. Hey, what do you think about our beach house build so far? Hey, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about it so far. Sort of neat seeing it come from an empty lot to holes in the ground, to stilts, putting up the floor, the walls, and then getting that sheeting put on the roof. Only one thing to come next. Right after we go shopping, I'll show you the shingles are coming. The shingles are coming. We'll get shingles on it, get it all dried in. That ought to be a lot of fun. Part 5, you know, we're going shopping. Then I got a big long list of things. We need some fans and granite, and we're picking up wall tiles and faucets and all kinds. She's got all kinds of things on our shopping list. You see my backyard in behind me there. We're enjoying the beach here today. Hey, I'll give you also a little update on our little bucket garden that she's got going. So hang on to that. Man, it's been a lot of fun. I hope you've subscribed to our channel. Hey, if you haven't, click that little subscription button right down there. You can join our Making RVs and Beach family and follow along with us. Hey, leave me a comment. I'd like to know what you think about it so far. And click on that like button. I like to see the like button. I'll let you know. Let me know you're liking what we're doing. Whew. Been a fun trip. Been a fun adventure. We always enjoy it here at the beach. Hope you're enjoying everything. We have certainly been blessed. We're blessed to have you join us. And as we'll always tell you, God bless you.